Section 680.73 of the National Electrical Code, or NEC, addresses accessibility requirements for hydromassage tub electrical equipment. It's crucial for residential electricians to be aware of and adhere to these requirements during new home construction. Electrical inspectors often scrutinize this aspect of the installation, and non-compliance can lead to a failed inspection. One key question is whether electrical inspectors will fail a job if the pump motor lacks proper access. The answer is yes, they very well might. Lack of proper access makes it difficult, if not impossible, to service or replace the pump motor safely. This can pose a significant safety hazard to the homeowner. So, what exactly does 680.73 accessibility entail? It mandates that all electrical equipment associated with hydromassage tubs must be readily accessible for inspection, servicing, and eventual replacement. This means the equipment's location must allow easy reach and provide ample space for working on it. Now, how can electricians ensure they meet these accessibility requirements? Firstly, locate the equipment in an area that is easily reachable and provides sufficient working space. Secondly, avoid obstructing the equipment with other objects. Thirdly, provide access to the equipment through a removable panel or door. Think about the future maintenance and servicing needs when planning the installation. Failure to comply with 680.73 can have several negative consequences. Firstly, as mentioned, the electrical inspection might fail. Secondly, the homeowner might be unable to use the hydromassage tub until the issue is resolved. Thirdly, and most importantly, the homeowner could be exposed to the risk of electrical shock or even a fire hazard. The code focuses on ensuring safe and practical access to electrical components. This ensures technicians can perform maintenance, repairs, and replacements without unnecessary difficulty or risk. Consider the long-term implications of the installation. Proper accessibility not only satisfies code requirements, but also simplifies future maintenance, saving time and money. Think about the perspective of a technician needing to service the equipment years later. Clear, unobstructed access can make a significant difference in their ability to perform their job safely and efficiently. When planning the location of the hydromassage tub equipment, consider factors such as available space, proximity to other utilities, and the overall layout of the bathroom. Proper planning is essential for ensuring compliance with 680.73 and creating a safe and functional installation. Furthermore, accessibility isn't just about physical access. It also relates to the ease of understanding the electrical system. Clear labeling of circuits and components is essential for facilitating troubleshooting and maintenance. A well-labeled system allows technicians to quickly identify and isolate problems, reducing downtime and improving safety. Use durable, legible labels that won't fade or peel over time. Proper labeling is an investment that pays off in the long run by simplifying maintenance and preventing errors. Consider providing a schematic diagram of the electrical system near the equipment. This diagram can be invaluable for technicians unfamiliar with the installation. It can show the location of various components, the wiring connections, and the circuit protection devices. A detailed schematic can save significant time and effort during troubleshooting and repair. In addition to accessibility, consider the environmental conditions in the area where the electrical equipment is located. Hydromassage tubs are often installed in damp or humid environments, which can accelerate corrosion and degradation of electrical components. Use corrosion-resistant materials and enclosures to protect the equipment from moisture. Ensure that all electrical connections are properly sealed to prevent water intrusion. Regular inspections can help identify potential problems before they become serious. Check for signs of corrosion, loose connections, and damaged wiring. Address any issues promptly to prevent further damage and ensure the continued safe operation of the hydromassage tub. Consider the use of ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI, protection for all electrical circuits serving the hydromassage tub. A GFCI is a fast-acting circuit breaker that can detect even small amounts of current leakage to ground. It can quickly interrupt the circuit, preventing electrical shock. GFCI protection is a crucial safety feature for any electrical appliance used in a wet environment. Proper grounding is also essential for electrical safety. Ensure that all electrical equipment is properly grounded to provide a path for fault current to flow back to the source. This helps to prevent electrical shock and minimize the risk of fire. Use appropriate grounding conductors and connectors. Verify the grounding system with the ground impedance tester to ensure that it is functioning properly. When installing electrical equipment near a hydromassage tub, be mindful of the clearances required by the NEC. Maintain adequate clearances from water sources and other potentially hazardous locations. This helps to prevent accidental contact with energized parts and minimize the risk of electrical shock. Consult the NEC for specific clearance requirements. In addition to the NEC, local codes and regulations may also apply to hydromassage tub electrical installations. Be sure to check with your local building department to determine any specific requirements in your area. Compliance with all applicable codes and regulations is essential for ensuring the safety and legality of the installation. Keep accurate records of all electrical work performed, including wiring diagrams, inspection reports, and any modifications made to the system. These records can be valuable for future maintenance and troubleshooting. They can also be helpful in the event of a warranty claim or insurance investigation. Proper documentation is a sign of professionalism and can help protect you from liability. Continuously educate yourself on the latest electrical codes and best practices. The electrical industry is constantly evolving, and it's important to stay up to date on the latest changes. Attend training courses, read industry publications, and network with other electricians to expand your knowledge and skills. Continuing education is essential for maintaining your competence and providing the best possible service to your customers. Remember, electrical safety is paramount. Always prioritize safety over speed or convenience. Take the time to do the job right and never cut corners. Your attention to detail can help prevent accidents and save lives. A hydromassage tub is a luxurious amenity, but it's important to remember that it involves electricity and water, which can be a dangerous combination. By following the NEC and best practices, you can ensure that the installation is safe and reliable. Furthermore, consider the long-term maintenance requirements of the hydromassage tub equipment. Regular maintenance can help prevent problems and extend the life of the equipment. Advise your customers on the importance of regular maintenance and offer to provide these services. A well-maintained hydromassage tub will provide years of enjoyment and trouble-free operation. When selecting electrical equipment for a hydromassage tub, choose high-quality products that are designed for the specific application. Look for products that are listed by a reputable testing laboratory such as Underwriters Laboratories, or Electrical Testing Laboratories, or ETL. These listings indicate that the products have been tested and found to meet safety standards. Avoid using cheap or substandard products, as they may not be safe or reliable. Proper selection of electrical equipment is crucial for ensuring the safety and performance of the hydromassage tub. Consider the energy efficiency of the electrical equipment. Choose energy-efficient pumps, heaters, and lighting fixtures to minimize energy consumption and reduce operating costs. Energy-efficient equipment can save your customers money on their utility bills and reduce their environmental impact. When installing wiring for a hydromassage tub, use the correct wire size and type for the application. Consult the NEC for the appropriate wire size based on the amperage of the circuit and the length of the run. Use conductors that are suitable for wet locations and are resistant to corrosion. Proper wiring is essential for ensuring the safe and reliable operation of the electrical system. When making electrical connections, use the proper connectors and techniques. Ensure that all connections are tight and secure. Use wire connectors that are listed for the specific application. Avoid using improper or makeshift connections, as they can be a fire hazard. Proper connections are essential for preventing overheating and electrical shorts. Before energizing any electrical circuit, test it thoroughly to ensure that it is working properly. Use a multimeter to check the voltage, current, and resistance of the circuit. Verify that the wiring is correct and that there are no shorts or ground faults. Thorough testing is essential for preventing electrical problems and ensuring the safety of the installation. After completing the electrical installation, provide your customers with clear and concise instructions on how to operate the Hydromassage tub safely. Explain the location of the electrical disconnect switch and how to use it in an emergency. Advise them on the importance of regular maintenance and the potential hazards of improper use. Clear instructions are essential for ensuring that your customers can use the Hydromassage tub safely and responsibly. Consider offering a warranty on your electrical work. A warranty provides your customers with peace of mind and demonstrates your confidence in the quality of your work. It also protects you from liability in the event of a problem. A warranty is a valuable selling point that can help you attract new customers and build your reputation. Always obtain the necessary permits and inspections for all electrical work. Permits and inspections ensure that the work is done safely and in compliance with code. They also protect you from liability in the event of an accident. Following proper permitting and inspection procedures is essential for responsible and ethical electrical work. Remember that your reputation as an electrician is your most valuable asset. Always strive to provide the highest quality workmanship and customer service. Be honest, reliable, and professional in all of your dealings. A good reputation will help you attract new customers and build a successful business. The accessibility requirements of 680.73 are not just a formality. They are a critical component of ensuring the safety and reliability of Hydromassage tub electrical installations. By understanding and complying with these requirements, you can help protect your customers from electrical hazards and provide them with years of enjoyment from their Hydromassage tubs. Always stay informed about the latest changes to the NEC and other relevant codes and regulations. The electrical industry is constantly evolving, and it's important to keep your knowledge and skills up to date. Attend training courses, read industry publications, and network with other electricians to stay ahead of the curve. Continuing education is essential for maintaining your competence and providing the best possible service to your customers. Finally, always remember that electrical safety is your top priority. Never take shortcuts or compromise on safety. Your attention to detail and commitment to excellence can help prevent accidents and save lives.